Sound is botchy. It started like a few days ago. My speakers are fine. So I don't know. I told you about the system heating. It's very hot. That's why I have this open, because it's here. It was boiling hot. If I close it, it becomes too hot in here. And the screen is hot to the touch, like hot.